Safe material. This adjustable pie crust shield is made from food-grade silicone material, BPA-free, reusable. Adjustable. This pie crust shields can adjust to fit any pie from 8 to 12 and works great on rimmed dishes too. Simply secure the tab lock into the appropriate notch to keep everything in its place. Heat resistant. This pie ring is made from a high-quality food-grade silicone material that resists heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The pie ring edge protector is not brittle with no deformation, no aging, no harmful substances. Perfect pie making. Silicone pie crust shield effectively protects your pie crust from burning or over-browning while baking. Better than tin foil, reduces spillage. Attention! The pie crust protector can be put into the dishwasher, oven, microwave, suitable for homemade and frozen pie, pizza, puff pastry. Features of pie crust protector. 1. The pie crust shield is made of food-grade quality silicone. 2. Adjustable pie shield can be utilized resisting heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. 3. Simply adjust size by sliding the lock into the notch. 4. Oven use only, do not drop on open flame or use on stovetop. 5. Dishwasher, refrigerator microwave safe. Top reviews from the United States. Where have these been all my life? For years and years I've wrapped my quiche or pie crust edges with tin foil to keep them from burning. Always fumbling about with pieces popping off here and there. I used these silicone covers for the first time and it was so easy and they fit perfectly. I am so happy that I won't be having to mess with tin foil ever again. Best purchase and highly recommend.